Hello everyone. David Ellenco said, "It is not the beauty of the building that one should look at. It is the construction of the foundation that stands the test of time." Have you wondered how the building design and construction science is used to solve the technical issues in architecture? Architecture technology can be summarized as the technical design and expertise in the application and integration of construction technology in the building design process. Do you wish to pursue a career in architecture technology? The SQA Advanced Diploma in Architecture Technology at RAC is a gateway to a career in architecture industry. Specifically, the role of an architectural technologist. You will explore how buildings are created, procured, constructed, and managed, and develop a practical and imaginative approach to design through a project-based learning experience. An SQA Advanced Diploma in Architecture Technology can either give you direct entry into Year 2, Year 3, or Year 4, or the students with suitable grades can help you find different career routes. You could find yourself working in a design practice as an architectural technician, in building information management (BIM), as a design manager, as a software or acoustic engineer. Our campus is built as Center of Academic Excellence, offering the best campus experience and quality teaching in the region. Our experienced faculties can mold you to become the best professionals as per the industry demands. The course focuses not only on the creation of the built environment, but also the structuring of spaces in and around it. Much of your learning activities will be hand-on, with access to our strong industry links. You will be provided with the latest CAD softwares, meaning you will be well equipped to make an impact in an important industry. The course will develop your ability to appreciate and analyze the existing design as well as create new ones, while keeping buildability, technology, procurement, contractual relationships, and the people involved in the process in mind. You will also explore the social, regulatory, technical, sustainable, and aesthetic context of the global development industry, and also be kept up to date with the latest skills such as building information modeling (BIM). This course is accredited by Chartered Institute of Architectural Technology (CIAT), which is a global membership qualifying body for architecture technology. It's a membership organization representing 10,000 members practicing and studying in the discipline who wish to be professionally recognized. CIAT accreditation implies that the course has been assessed in terms of content, structure, resources, and has met the institute's requirement. Studying on a CIAT accredited course makes you a part of a worldwide network of professionals and supports you in progressing to the Chartered Architectural Technologist (MCIAT) status. So what are you waiting for? If you have a dream to graduate from the world-renowned universities and wish to start your college life after 10 or earn a professional qualification, join SQA at RAC Center, your international passport to progression and success. For more information, visit our website